What happened to you?
What? What?
Your nose is so red. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Adhay. Once again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, I am going to showcase some more lashes. What the difference is that I'm going to showcase the best packs of lashes that I have found on Amazon so far. Perfect in the sense of they all look well uniformed. The styles look amazing for being so inexpensive. I previously did a Amazon lash haul where I showcased to you guys one of the best lashes that I have found on Amazon, and I kept looking for more good lashes, but this time with a goal of finding great lashes in one pack. So I think I found two perfect packs of lashes where they have different styles, and for the most part all of the styles in the packets are really good, because you guys know the ordeal in Amazon to find perfect lashes. There are tons of lashes, but it could be hard to find the perfect ones. So without further ado, if you're interested, if you love lashes, if you just are here because you support me, then I suggest you to keep on watching. No, I am not being sponsored by these lash sellers. I just honestly found them and I think they're very, very good. So I feel that these packets have the perfect styles for you in one solid packet. All right, let's get into it. I will start off with this one right here, and this one is from Landflower, and these are faux mink. Plus, they have 4 different styles, as you guys can see. Some are lighter, some are chunkier. I think they have the perfect combination of styles. So you get 20 pairs of lashes. This is just a perfect pack of lashes. Let's begin. Show way. Eyes. This style is so cute and perfect. Let's just wait for this to dry. I don't have my black glue. I lost it. I can't find it, and the only thing I have right now is this clear one, which is kind of annoying because it just feels like it stays white for a long time. So this is style number 1 from this lash packet. Even though they're faux mink, I feel they have this nice 3D effect that some synthetic lashes lack. They're for the most part uniformed, and I like that. I don't like one to be wonky and the other one to be perfect. The next lash I'm going to try is going to be this one. This one is my favorite out of the 4 styles that we have in this packet. Oh, I love this one. This is, oh, I just like them. I like them a lot. I just love how uniformed they are, how cohesive they look. I just like these lashes overall. Let's move on to the next style, these wispier ones. I do have to mention that these wispier ones are longer than the other styles. Ooh, so pretty. These are the longest ones from the pack. Okay, let's go with the next one. Ooh, these are so flirty. They're chunky, wispy, and long. Let's just admire them. Wow. guys think? Do you guys like this one? Do you guys not like this one? Let's go on to the next style. Last but not least from this pack would be the style right here. Oh. Wow. Do you see why I say this pack is the perfect pack? Because it has a nice variety of lashes. Wow. Let's go on with the next value pack of lashes. Look at these right over here. We're gonna start from right to left. Okie dokie. Let's go ahead and apply this lash. So apparently while I was recording, my memory card got full, so I didn't record the part where I add both of these lashes on. But as you guys can see, these lashes are gorgeous. These lashes are so beautiful, so cohesive, so uniform, so wispy, so everything. These lashes are perfect. I like how catty they are. If you guys like these lashes, hopefully you guys get a hold of them, because last time that I uploaded the video, some of them sold out. We're gonna go in with these right here, the middle ones. I'll go ahead and show you guys these beautiful lashes. Just look how beautiful they look. These are so beautiful. Really like this. These are so nice. Now we're going with our last pair of lashes from this value pack. These right over here. Wow. And here they are, both on. This value pack of lashes is just perfection. The three styles that they have in here are perfect. If I had to pick between these two, I would pick this one 1,000 times. These lashes are so gorgeous. All three styles from this value pack are outstanding. I love them. They're just really nice. And even though they're less pairs in this value pack than in the previously, personally I prefer this one. Maybe for you guys, based on what you saw in my video, you guys will prefer this one, but that's why I'm here for, to show you the two top ones that I found on Amazon, and I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know which value pack are you drawn to the most, if the first one or the second one. I'll leave both links from these two value packs in the description box below, and hopefully you guys get a hold of them if you liked any of these value packs. I feel their prices are great for the amount of lashes you get and for the quality of lashes you get. So if you like what you've seen, give this video a thumbs up. It is always greatly appreciated and welcome. Not only that, but it also helps my channel quite a lot. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you press that notification bell in order to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. You guys, it is already September and it's so hot.